Anytime you don't have time to do a full ritual bath, submerge, and a ritual bath and soak, you can keep a sachet, a little charm bag full of the herbs. And in here I have cinquefoil, abricomino, rue, lavender, skullcap, did I say hyssop? Lavender, all kinds of herbs to cleanse, attract, open roads, protect, and a $100 bill in here with a petition. This is like a money sachet. And I'm still wet from my shower, and I kind of just, I soaked it. You can soak it with a special spray or just drop it in some water to steep like a tea bag. And I just kind of rub my feet, from my feet all the way up to my heart, my head, saying whatever mantra I need to say or whatever mantra you want to say depending on what your intentions are. You can hold it there in place, say a little prayer, and I'm still air drying from my shower, and I just sit here and just let the herbs sit on me. And this is just for if you don't have time to do a very quick, a long ritual. Give yourself a little edge up. Just whatever you can do, give yourself a little edge up on your protections, on your open roads, on your intentions before you step out of the house or before you go on with your day.